How to make Google Docs pageless? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Google Docs pageless. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So here I have a document with several pages, 4 of them in total. And as you can see, if I zoom in, I have like a division between the pages, okay? So if you want to avoid that, you must go to your file menu and now click on page setup is almost the last option. And here next to pages, you're gonna have the pageless option. So if you click on it, the pageless format allows you to add wide images and tables and consume content without the interruption of page breaks, okay? So this is also a better option if you are working just online, because if you need to print something, this is going to have some issues. You could also add a background color, and obviously you may click on OK to change your document to pageless. And that's it. As you can see, I have changed it, but some other features have changed too. In the last version, in the last view version, I had like some watermark of a great work, but now I have lost that. So be careful with that option because some other options have been changed. As you can see here, this is really different, okay? So this is how to make Google Docs pageless. Thanks for watching.